tell these things is giving off a reflection. I feel like this camera's in my personal space, sure. Hey family, welcome back to another video with your favorite girl. Me, oh, her is her. Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? Did you miss me when I was gone for the last 4 days? I wasn't really gone, I was at the house working on that patio, getting it done. We are in full get it done mode, and I can't be happier. Forgive the lighting. It's not me, it's the light. It's the lighting in the car. But I can't be happier than I am now that we have actually started the process, because now I can see it. Like, I can see where it's going. I'm excited. Oh, I'm so excited. So I ain't really been gone, y'all. I just been helping him with the deck. But I hope you guys had a great weekend. Happy late Mother's Day for all the mamas and the aunties, you know. Happy Mother's Day to you guys. Hope it was great. Hope you got pampered. Hope you was living your best weekend life. And literally all I was doing was helping Ron with the patio. Deck, patio, whichever it is. That's all I was doing. I don't have anything to tell you. Nothing. Just a quick car chat. Look what I got. Look at these, so pretty. My mama just gave me these. She picked them out of her yard. She always give us, me and the girls, she always give us roses for Mother's Day, straight out of the front yard. Yeah. So I'm headed back to the chateau. I've been gone since 8 o'clock this morning. I had to take her to the emergency room. She is fine, by the way. She got arthritis. She has arthritis and swore she was having an aneurysm. I said, Mom, you do too much. I said, you know you're about 100 years old. Like, why don't you sit down somewhere? And y'all wonder why I can't sit down. I get it from her. I get all my energy and my need to be doing something from my mother, okay? Blame her. Just dropped her off at home. I said, Mom, what you about to do? Cut the grass. I said, not you, Miss Lady, having an aneurysm this morning, so you thought. Well, since I know I ain't having one, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the grass. I said, oh, okay. Still ain't gonna sit down. Anyway, so that's that. But yeah, I've been gone since 8 o'clock this morning, and it is now almost 3 o'clock. I'm a little bit tired. What's the degrees today? 71 degrees, okay? Now, all the days, with the exception of one of the days, it has been either cold or rainy, right? During the deck build. Muddy, the worst. And then today is 70 degrees. But I don't want to show y'all what it looked like just yet, because I've been filming it. I've been filming every step of the way, and he is working on the deck, because why the garage is up. I see the garage door up, which means he in that backyard doing something. And I see wood over here on the street. Oh, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him, honey. You wait. You just wait. Sis, hold up. Okay, let me give y'all a sneak peek of what's going on out here. Now, I have been filming the whole process for y'all from start to this point here. I noticed that obviously he has taken down the stairs, honey. And he has been using this ladder to go up and down. Clearly, these are our steps for right now. So, to give you an idea, this existing deck right here, which is, you know, the Bahamas up here, you know, this whole area. You guys have seen this. And this deck I'm standing on is what is going to go all the way over there to the end of the house. And I don't think this camera is doing it any justice. So you'll be able to walk out there. All this is patio. And right here where the steps used to be going down that way, the new steps will turn this way and go towards the shed that's underneath this deck here. So the stairs will be, you'll come off, turn and go down like that, and the stairs will be nestled in between this and then the end of the deck, which is here on that side. And then this part, you'll just walk from here over here to all of this, if that makes sense. It probably will when we get a little bit closer, but the stairs are right there, over there. So he's been busy, and I'm excited. Okay, this gives me the height heebie-jeebies. I wonder if I can, how stable is this, y'all? Okay, she going down. Ooh, Lord, please. Ooh, ooh. Please don't let me fall. Oh, God. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay, she down, y'all. She did it. Let me come over here. Let me tell y'all, you really don't know how much goes into a deck like this, because you just see the deck. Like, you see the deck already done. It's like, okay, it's just deck, it's wood, it's whatever. No. I've learned so much. Let me make sure y'all face the home. I have learned so much out here working and helping him. Like, these strings, for example, are so important. The digging of the holes was a job. Like, you'll see it in the actual video, but this is gonna be a big ass deck, honey. I told y'all, party at Auntie house. Party over here, yeah. Them are the ladder that I came down. All right, let's go back up the steps. We can do it. Jesus, I have no business. This shit this can't be safe. Okay. I'm just like, girl, this thing is turned all the freaking way around. Like, oh. Okay. I don't know what happened to the rest of yesterday's video, sis. I'm sorry. I'm so rusty at filming videos, I feel like. It don't pay to take a day off, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5. It don't pay. Fall right down. Stuff is rolling around in the car. It's just a whole thing. I got cups on the floor, stuff in the back. My truck has become the hauling service truck for the deck stuff. I'm talking about long pieces of wood. Okay, it is a lot happening. Just tossing it from one area to another. There's no need to clean this car out because Ron is literally using it as a service truck. So I'm just gonna let it be. I like when people do car vlogs and they're driving like this, because I'm looking in the background. See how y'all can see the houses in the camera view? I feel like I'm there. Wherever they are, like wherever they live at, I'm there too. I get to see what their area looks like. I just thought I'd share that with you. You might like it too. I know some of y'all like our car chats and vlogs, and I'm here to deliver. Okay, Auntie will never let you down. So anyway, y'all, we're still working on the deck, of course. So, well, obviously, because you haven't seen a video about it. I mean, like a, reveal video. So we're still working on that. And it's just moving right along. Like, I think I told you in the last few clips that I've learned so much about deck building that I never, ever even thought about, to be honest with you. And it's been a very exciting process. I was the nailer yesterday. I got to nail up you know, a lot of the, well, most of the boards that needed. Actually, I used both. I used the power nailer, and then I used the regular hammer for some parts of it that couldn't use the electric one or whatever. So yeah, I did that yesterday. We worked until it was literally completely dark outside. I was even using my phone flashlight to give Ron light. That's how late we worked on the patio last night. Have been just planning in my mind like what I want our first summer bash to look like and feel like, and just, you know, all of the things, honey, with our family and friends. I'm looking forward to it. Right now, I'm actually on my way to the at-home store, and then I'm just gonna see whatever else to go. I'm just gonna browse. I am not buying nothing. Okay, I've gotten all the things I needed. I told y'all that in the last video. Other than that, sis, cousin, friend, I have not been up to anything. I hope you are having a great day today when you're watching this video. Nothing but exciting things going on in your life. I really wish this creep stopped looking over here in this car. Like, sir, go on. Ride. You know when somebody just ride like right car to car with you? They don't want to pass you. Dang. Like, go on, creep. He threw me off. Anyway, I hope that you're, as I always do, sis, I hope you're in a great place, you know, in your life. I hope you are living unapologetically, doing whatever it is your heart desires. You know, that is what I legit wish for you. Let me charge this other phone. People are still calling and texting this phone, y'all. They don't realize that I have a new number. Well, not that they don't realize, it's just that I ain't gave it to everybody. I haven't given it to everybody. My new number, honey, okay? So, let me know down in the comments what you guys have been up to since the last time we chatted. I know I missed our live on last week due to working on the deck. We missed our live. We'll definitely probably still be working the rest of this week. I know for a fact we will on the deck. So we will carve out. I won't miss this live. Okay, at least I'm hoping I don't. Okay, it is my goal not to miss this week's live. Even if that is the live, you know, I don't know, but it's my goal not to miss it again. I'm sorry for last week, but that's what I was doing. And let me see if I have any new shows to tell you guys about. This is my life, y'all. Like, this is my very exciting to me, but probably mediocre to you, because, you know, I get it. I totally get it. But this is my life. Okay, new movie lineup. Let me see. What have I been watching? What have I been watching on TV? Literally no binge-worthy stuff. I need some suggestions on the binge-worthy. I haven't had a chance to re-pick up my book. And I haven't even had the chance to even see if it is, in fact, Audible, on an Audible service. Haven't had a chance. Everything has been centered around the deck since it has taken off. Like, that's like my main focus right now, is to get that done and finished. And after this, I promise y'all, I am done with projects. I am. Like, I'm so done. Yeah. So I need some binge-worthy movies to watch, because I have none on my radar. Well, okay, so I just watched the the reunion of one of my favorite shows, which is Selling Sunset. It's 5 seasons. 5 seasons, and they just had the reunion. I'm waiting on P-Valley to start back up. I think it comes back on in June, I think. I'm waiting for that. Ratchetness. And that's it. So give me some suggestions on some binge-worthy movies, series that you think I might like. I tried Ozark, so if somebody say Ozark, I can't. Oh, I hate when a lot of people like a certain thing and then you can't get into it. You know what I mean? It's like, what am I missing? But Ozark, I've tried it. Maybe I'll try it again. I don't know. But you guys know I like scary movies, so give me some scary movie suggestions. I've probably already seen all those. Because I feel like I've seen everything scary. But let me know. I really need a cup of coffee. Like, that would be amazing if I could just find somewhere to just grab a little cup of coffee. There is a Starbucks down here where I'm going, but it's way on down. Like, way. What else? Wait. Sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I need to call my mama and check on her today. Make sure she good and ain't doing the most, child. I'll call y'all back. Let me call mama.